Hello. I stand in front of the ATM. I stand in front of the ATM. I insert my card. I insert my card. I choose the language. I choose the language. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. I check the balance. I check the balance. I select withdrawal. I select withdrawal. I choose the account type. I choose the account type. I choose an amount. I choose an amount. I enter another amount. I enter another amount. I confirm the transaction. I confirm the transaction. I wait for the machine. I wait for the machine. The machine is processing. The machine processing. I decline the insurance. I decline the insurance. I accept the fee. I accept the fee. I take my card back. I take my card back. The machine dispenses cash. The machine dispenses cash. I take the money. I take the money. I count the money. I count the money. I request a receipt. I request a receipt. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I cancel the session. I cancel the session. I put my card in my wallet. I put my card in my wallet. I leave the ATM. I leave the ATM.